they will tell you not to use ChatGPT. For instance, that project you are trying to do now, the lecturers, they don't want you to use ChatGPT for them. Take a look at this now. This is a job I'm applying for. Applying for a job of a chat operation. So now, can you see the instruction? Please do not use ChatGPT for your tasks. We can easily check and we decline all tasks that are made using ChatGPT. So that's the instruction. I'm not supposed to use ChatGPT for anything I want to do here. So now I want to, how do I go about this? There's no way I won't use ChatGPT. So now I've this is what I want to write now. They told me to write example, like sample of a welcome message. So now I want to copy this now. I've copied this now. So what do I do? You go to paraphrase. Can you see qbot.com? When you go to qbot.com, you paste it here. Can you see? I pasted it here. Then it's paraphrased. I click on paraphrase. Can you see the new? I can still click on rephrase again. If I click on rephrase again, if I click on rephrase, can you see? It has rephrased this. So you should use your system. Don't use a phone. If you use a phone, you may have limits. There may be limits. But here you can upgrade. You have a lot of space. You can put as many words as possible. Do you understand? So use this app, this Q bot now. So now, how do I now know whether it will be detected as an AI or not? Go to your GPT0.me. Can you see GPT0gpt.com? So 0gpt.com or gpt.me, gpt0.me, anyone. So now I want to paste it here. Paste. So I want to detect text. Now I want to know. So I click on detect text. Can you see now you have 15,000 characters? You have about 15,000 characters that you can use on phone or on your laptop. But if it's phone, it may not be up to this. So now, can you see now? Your text is human written. Can you see? Can you see the result now? 0% AI GPT. Can you see? So it detected that I use human. Can you see the result now? It's what it says is that what I use 0% AI GPT. So that's what it wrote. That I use 0%. So even this 0 GPT now, you can see AI humanizer. Even inside the paraphrasing tool, even inside this 0 GPT now, you have other apps that you can use: plagiarism checker, grammar checker, background remover, AI image detector, AI humanizer, paraphrasing tools. So even inside this tool now, that I used to check whether this thing is, you see, I've not even logged in, and I'm able to. I can put 15,000 characters. I can use 15,000 characters. I can paste it here. So use your laptop. It's easier on laptop than phone. So that is just a quick one now. So now, since it has detected that I use human, is 100% human. That's 0% AI GPT. Your text is human written. Can you see it here? Boldly written here. Your text is human written, whereas I use ChatGPT to write it. So now let me go back to my this thing. I'm going to paste it here. Paste. So that's, can you see now? So thank you for that.